This is Year in Review.
Hi, my name is Williamson. Here in Miss Casey's class, we just got our calculators. We'll be raising them for a few weeks. We put them in cups with 2 calculators with food. We will be putting a napkin and a lid on them. They will go into chrysalis and then to a butterfly, and then we will let them fall.
We are going to make condensation in the classroom by mixing 4 different substances together and then put the wrap over it and an ice cube on top, and then we're just going to leave it for a few nights and then we're going to see what happens.
Today in science, we're making ramps. We're using a board and 4 clothespins. With the boards, we're trying to make a ramp with just clothespins and trying to make a car roll down the ramp. Today at Edmondson Elementary, we let the butterflies go. Several students caught some with orange slices. We tried to attract them with orange slices because they weren't getting out.
We are building a model of a brain out of Play-Doh. We are also learning about growth and fixed mindset.
We're painting a seascape, and Miss Balti is teaching us how to paint clouds and waves and a skyline and an ocean.
We are learning about our family's cultures, what clothes they wear, and their language. And also their food and what the flag represents. Today at Edmondson, we learned to program e-bots. We use algorithms to get one place to another.
This week we have our fall book fair going on. We have thousands of great books and lots of shoppers.
Today we did some fun stuff with pumpkins. We measured it if it would sink or float. And I guessed how many seeds were in there? 6,000. I measured a pumpkin and I put the string around the pumpkin to see how wide it was. Today at Edmondson is the nursery rhyme parade. Everybody will dress up as a favorite nursery rhyme character. We're a 3 little mice.
Today in PE with C and Bagwell, we are practicing hockey skills on 2 different goals. We were playing sideline hockey where we split up the rows in PE so then we get to play 4v4 against each other using the hockey skills we learned on Tuesday.
Today in class we set up terrariums, and what we did with the terrariums, we put 1 cup of gravel, 2 cups of soil, and then we split it into 4. Today we are making the aquarium part of our terrarium, and we've already made like the plant part, so now we're making the aquarium part.
We're using elodium, duckweed, and algae, and we're also going to put these fish in.
Today we're in kindergarten, and we're doing reindeer games, and we're doing the reindeer pokey.
You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around.
Today in PE, we're climbing ropes, we're doing pull-ups, handstands, and a little bit of jump roping during rotations.
We made a chemical reaction with alcohol seltzers, and it was a solid, and then a liquid, and then a gas. The science guy came as a surprise when I got here, and we had powder, and we put it into like a ball thingy, and then it turned into a bouncy ball. Today we are being archaeologists, and we are digging up some bones.
Today is jump rope. Today we are in PE learning how to jump. We have stations, and our stations we're learning how to jump and do exercise.
We're learning about geometry and how to use a protractor to measure angles like obtuse and acute angles.
Today we're doing reading buddies. I'm in 1st grade and she's in 4th grade. We get to read books like The Groundhog Gets a Say or Sky Color. Sometimes we can read in the hallway or on the carpet. We're making clay castles and we're drawing shapes, like we're making doors and we're making windows, and we're adding lots of detail to these castles.
We used a battery, a wire, and a light bulb to try to make the light bulb light up with the battery.
We're here at Edmondson with the book fair. It is so much fun. You can pick out any book.
Yeah, there's a bunch of books here, and we can just pay for them.
Each class gets to go pick out books. It's pretty fun.
We learned about isopods. They have 14 legs and 4 legs on each side. They have to keep moist. They stay in soil. Today, kindergarten's studying words. The big old one's fat, and the small one is skinny.
For Year in Review, thank you, Judy Hollinsworth, for capturing all these great memories.